Navigation started. Continue southwest on a driveway, then in 300 feet turn left onto Anagabo Road. Left onto Anagabo Road, then in 200 feet turn left. 200 feet turn left. In 600 feet turn right. In 100 feet arrive at the destination on your left. Arrive at the destination on your left.
That's another nice house. Envelope 82 and book folder. What a nice cars that. Where is the book folder? Number 40. Yeah, this one. It's the wrong one. That's the wrong one. Yeah, this is the right one. Am I recording?
Navigation started. A U-turn, then in 100 feet turn left.
Range Rovers. Car of my dream. This is the first option, and the Mazda is the second option. The Mazda I showed you earlier. As if I will be able to drive to buy this car, a Range Rover. Who knows, maybe, yeah. As I said, you always want to check your locations, because you don't want to drive. You want to drive twice.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Anagabo Road.
And this one right now wants me to drive twice. Oh, I think a van is coming. Yeah. I'm gonna go to 17 first and then 16, because 17 is before 16.
100 feet turn left onto Anagabo Road.
Yeah, 17 before 16.
Keep left.
17 before 16.
Keep left, then in 100 feet turn left to enter a private road. In 100 feet turn left to enter a private road.
This is where I have to go to 18, 17 and 16. I have to come back. Two body bags. 73, 54, 73, 54. Alright, I think they are the last two body bags. I don't know, maybe, yeah. Okay. Countryside houses are amazing. You know, I understand why the application made me go to 16 first, because 16 is in the end of this road, and then I have to, and the road is dead end, and I have to go back because I have to go through this here to go to 18. Yeah,
Navigation started.
but I don't
Do
trust.
U-turn on a driveway,
And,
then
I
turn left.
have done this because I don't trust the application. Many times it sends me the wrong direction.
In 400 feet, arrive at the destination on your right. Arrive at the destination on your right.
What do you mean no turning? Where should we turn, Mr. Nice House? Two deliveries envelope, and then a box envelope 28. That sign says no turning. 28, 38, 32, 36, 38. Another dog. I like them when they are friendly. And this one is friendly. Looks friendly. Yeah, I'm your friend, don't attack me, please. I'm done with this gum.
Navigation started. West. Then in 500 feet, make a hard left turn onto Anagabo Road.
18, number 18, that leaves me, if I finish number 18, that leaves me with 13 stop, 13 delivery when I finish this one, because I had in this delivery 31 stops. My recommendation for you guys, you need to buy this thing. I don't know the name.
Left.
It's a handle, and it's a wheel driving handle. It's very useful in these narrow roads. That's my recommendation for you. It's very useful when it is very narrow and you need to
In 700 feet, turn left.
and you need to like reverse your car in narrow situation, narrow positions. One of the negativities in driving in this kind of roads, driving in a dirt road, because like that you are gonna make your car dirty.
In 100 feet, arrive at the destination on your right. Arrive at the destination on your right.
Please don't be released. The dog. 46. Don't be released. It is released dog. Come on, doggy, I'm your friend. Hello. Hello.
All right.
Yeah.
You're not bacon, oh. You're not bacon.
No, I was afraid. That's why I have this camera to reward you.
Navigation started. A U-turn. Then in 300 feet turn right.
And one of the things that I don't like dogs, because they are staying under the cars, and you don't wanna smash a dog, you know. Like I'm reversing right now, I don't know where is the dog. Maybe he's under my car and I don't wanna smash a dog. You understand me, guys?
Navigation started. Continue south, then turn right. In 700 feet turn left onto Anagabo Road.
But I think that these dogs, they know if somebody is a delivery driver, and that's why they are so tolerant.
Turn left onto Anagabo Road, then in 600 feet turn right.
And by the way,
600 feet turn right to stay on Anagabo Road.
don't let this attitude of these dogs, you know, like cheat you. Because if you attempt to go to the backyard, the dog will attack you, because you are only allowed to deliver in the front yard.
Road and destination is on the right.
Do you understand me, guys? You are not allowed to go to the backyard. Front yard, maybe the dog will let you do your work, but you go to the backyard, the dog, I think they will be, the dogs will be trained to attack people who goes to the backyard. Envelope 40. It is this one. 71, yeah. Fully